What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we go any further, please understand that this is not financial advice. You are free to do whatever you like with your money. And that said, let's take a sip of coffee from my KASPA Maximus mug. Everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with KASPA. Today we're about to do the same thing we do like I said, it's always very vital that we do these things. Okay, first we will look at the market performance for the past 24 hours on the coins that we are trading on, which are King KASPA, Quant, and Jasmine. Then we will look at prices in a little bit of details. Okay, just like you need to like zoom in there and try to find things, you know. And last but not the least, we will look at our positions. Okay, basically my positions, excuse me. Yeah, sorry about that. As I was saying, then we'll look at my positions and you can follow along and try to see what's going on with your positions. Are you going up, down, left, right? Just like I show you mine at the same time, like, you know, that's what we're about to do. Excuse me. But guys, before that, let's zoom in on this topic a little bit. Most people are just like yeah, you invested in crypto, let's just get in, you know. And sometimes I ask this question, okay, when I talk to somebody, not for the first time, like when, you know, you have a conversation and somebody's asking you about crypto, because I get those a lot. Like, yeah, you are investing into crypto, you are a KASPA Maxi. Oh, what about this coin? What about the other one? What about this meme coin? What about... I get those a lot, guys. And my answer usually be the same. Listen, what is your purpose of investing into crypto? That's the first thing you have to know. Let me do this. That is the first thing you have to know. Because like if you don't know why you're investing in crypto in the first place, you are doomed to fail. That's the simplest way to put it. Okay, some of you are investing into crypto just to get the money and get the hell out, continue with your 9 to 5. That's one thing. Some of you are investing into crypto just because of pure adrenaline. Everybody else is making gains. You know what? I want to make some gains too. Some other people like me, we are investing in crypto because we see this as wealth transfer. You remember the famous say, okay, I've seen a lot of people talk about it, a lot of wise guys also say it is not your fault if you were born poor, okay, but it is your fault if you die poor. You understand? That really hit me the first time I heard it. And there's another famous one they usually say, and it goes like this: if you don't come from a millionaire family, you better make sure that a millionaire family comes from you. Did you get it? That's another one. So me, when I'm investing in crypto, I am investing due to the, you know, the wealth transfer that is happening right now. World is changing. Remember, like decades ago, they went from you know, everybody else trying to have gold to paper money. You understand? And those who saw that trend coming and they capitalized on it, they made a lot of money. Their family, generation after generations. That's why you see these swaps and all of them that control the world today. Excuse me. That's how you see them today. So me, that's what I'm looking for. Wealth, generational wealth. Not just for me. Of course, I want to drive a Lambo. I want to own a bunch of real estate, probably venture into owning a bunch of companies and stuff like that. But all that starts with one single move. Okay? Some people are talking about stocks. But it so happened that there's this opportunity right in front of all of us that only a few people will know, I mean, like, will be able to capitalize on that opportunity. And that is something that I always tell you guys. If you've been watching my videos, I keep on stressing on it. Okay, you have to find the money printers. And one thing is that people are looking at, like, okay, the money printers for this run are not going to be the same for money printers next run. But you have to look for money printers that are guaranteed for long-term growth. You understand? That is why I picked KASPA. KASPA, as you guys already know, and as I've explained 1,001 times, is Bitcoin on steroids. Or if you guys want to look at it this way, KASPA is Bitcoin 2.0. Many people don't believe it, and that's why I usually ask this question. Tell me something that Bitcoin does and the KASPA cannot do. Tell me. Silence, right? There's nothing that Bitcoin does that KASPA cannot do. But I can tell you so many things that KASPA does and Bitcoin cannot do. See that? I can tell you so many things on that. So a lot of people just look at it that way. Excuse me. Most people don't even look at it that way. So you have to, like, think about it that way. And now you start looking at adoption. Okay, right now, for me, I said it before, KASPA is on testnet. Why? We don't have smart contract yet. We are just about to start getting listed in serious exchanges. KASPA doesn't have ecosystem fully built yet. A lot of people are looking at KRC20, Casplex. Guys, Casplex is not the real deal. And I'll say it again. Casplex was just a way of obtaining data to see if KASPA can really handle the stress. And the data is so flawlessly good that you don't even understand. So for me, it is still on that testnet. So you have to realize this. Once the smart contracts hit, it's going to be a hell of a rise, a hell of a run for KASPA once those smart contracts hit. Therefore, you have to get in, okay? Not financial advice. You have to get into KASPA before the big money gets in. They have already started talking about it. You already start hearing grayscale. And then when you put the points together, guys, of all the layer ones that they have going on, why are they choosing KASPA? That's the first question you have to ask yourself. Like, Grayscale is a very big financial institution, financial money. I mean, like, they deal with all this investment. Of all the layer ones, why are they choosing KASPA? Because, like I said, you can tell it one way. They missed out of Bitcoin. Okay, they missed out of Bitcoin, and the next thing better than Bitcoin that is out there is KASPA. And again, you look at Marathon Digital. Marathon Digital, they never mine anything else. They don't stake nothing. They only mine Bitcoin. Why are they mining KASPA? Why are they hodling KASPA? Because they already said it. Their own balance sheet, they hold more than 100 million KASPA. Why not sell it off if KASPA wasn't that good? They know something, guys. And I always say it. Follow the money. Because once you follow the money, you will figure out what I'm trying to tell you guys. Excuse me. You'll figure out what I'm trying to tell you guys. A lot of people will say, oh, you know what? Oh, just so what? BlackRock is not in and the rest and this and that. And guys, that's where you are wrong. Because if you put the dots together, there is a relationship between Marathon Digital and BlackRock. There is a relationship. Just look into it. You will find out that Marathon Digital is owned by a company. What is it called? I think Jane and Jump Street or something like that. They are owned by them. And those same people, they have their tentacles with BlackRock. You see, the dominoes falls together. It falls together. And then you start to see something else. Carbon credit. Everybody now is trying to save the environment. Okay, everybody. And the carbon credit industry is a $1 trillion asset. Why are they not using the Bitcoin Lightning Network or whatever you want to call those things? Why? Why are they choosing KASPA? Why are they not using Tron, Solana, or whatever? Why are they pushing so hard on KASPA? That tells you something. Again, follow the money. You got to follow. You start to see that the big money has started to eye it. They have started to look at it. So if you're in there right now at the price that we are, 13, 14 cents, this thing runs up to $10, you already know what you got. And trust me, it's going to get $10 once these smart contracts get implemented. Because you will see, most of these projects are on Solana, Ethereum, and all that stuff. What do you think will happen when they finally discover that, first of all, there is a chain that is almost 3,000 times faster than Solana, than Bitcoin, and all of them, which means DeFi will be running very smooth. DeFi will be running so smooth on KASPA than, I don't know, Gaming will be running so smooth on KASPA. NFTs, transactions, you name it, guys. And then you start talking about the real world assets, okay? Banking and the rest of them. So I'm telling you, a lot of people are now looking at these things. And those are the things that I'm trying to teach you. This is why we call this my millionaire journey, where we are going from zero to millionaire status. Now, let me just, another reason I want you to look at KASPA, that's why I say KASPA is better than Bitcoin. Let's just say you're just in for the money. Let me ask you this. Let's throw a number out there. $5,000. Let's say you have $5,000 to invest in this run. Where do you think you're going to make more money? Investing $5,000 in Bitcoin or investing $5,000 in KASPA? Where do you think you're going to make money? You can't even buy a full Bitcoin right now. And I tell you guys, Bitcoin, I think if they push it to the limits, they're probably going to get $170,000, $180,000 Bitcoin out of this run. This run I'm talking about. But KASPA, okay, let's say you buy $5,000 worth of KASPA, which is what, 40,000 coins or something. For me, as a maxi, I believe with everything coming, KASPA is going to $10. Not just say you're not a maxi like me. You don't believe it. You believe KASPA might top out at $4. With $5,000, you can turn that. What? You get 40,000 coins. Okay, you can turn it into $160,000. Yeah, there you go. 40,000. Oh, sorry, $120,000. You got excuse me. Let's go right here. I got distracted right quick. I was looking at something else. So yeah, you can turn that. The KASPA goes to $4. Okay, you can turn into $160,000. See that? If KASPA does what I'm thinking is going to do, okay, you got 40,000 coins by investing $5,000. If KASPA goes to $10, you will turn 5,000 into $400,000. So where do you think you're going to make more money? Let's just say you're thinking just like average person. I just want to make money and leave. See, that's why I keep telling you guys, no matter what angle you look at it, for me, KASPA is better than Bitcoin. KASPA, I'm not saying Bitcoin is a bad investment. No, I'm just saying if you miss Bitcoin, this is the time you have to get into KASPA. And I'm not bashing Bitcoin. Guys, those of you who has been following my channel, I own Bitcoin, and you guys, I already showed it to you guys. I own Bitcoin. But in terms of wealth, I think the generational wealth you're talking about, KASPA is the real deal. Is the real deal. Because imagine, like, okay, 3 runs or probably 3 or 4 bull runs from now, let's say 10 years down the line, what do you think the price of KASPA is gonna be? If you take that chance right now, you put in $5 grand and you don't touch it, 2-3 bull runs from now, and KASPA goes up to, let's say, $500 a piece, or even $600, because guys, I'm telling you, it's going to get there, or even higher than that. KASPA probably going to take that #1 spot or #2 spot, thereabout. Definitely. A lot of people will say, nah, because Bitcoin will still grow, and market cap, this and that. Guys, Bitcoin has a 10 to 15, I think it's a 15-year head start against, come on. Bitcoin has a 15-year head start. So KASPA is catching up, and trust me, it's not going to be that difficult for KASPA to catch up to Bitcoin. It's not going to be, because when Bitcoin started, nobody knew about cryptocurrency. Hell, when I started, I didn't even know what the relationship between total supply and market cap and none of that. Nobody knew. Now people are beginning to know that for you to move a big market cap asset, you need a lot of money. But for you to move a small market cap, let's just say for 40 to go from a $3 billion market cap to a $100 billion market cap, or let's just say you go from 3 billion to a 300 billion market cap, is way easier than trying to move 1 trillion to a $7 trillion market cap. It's way easier, and that's what most people are beginning to realize that. And that's another almost what 300% more people know what crypto is versus when Bitcoin started. So adoption is going to take very, very short time for it to get there. You understand? So anyways, that's what I'm trying to tell you. You are missing out if you're not looking at KASPA. And for me, I'm a KASPA maxi, guys. For me, KASPA is better than Bitcoin in any angle, the way you look at it. So excuse me, no matter what angle you look at it, KASPA is better. Anyways, now now that we got that out of the way, let's go look at the market performance right quick. Let's see what the market has been doing for the past 24 hours. So what is crypto bubbles right here? Okay, as you can see, yeah, the whole market is looking great. Green everywhere. Green everywhere. I don't know, I needed to follow up on the Gary Gensler news. I don't know, did he quit, or is he still there, or what is he up to? I don't know. I forgot to follow up on those news. You know, like they were talking about he was going to quit today, or he was going to get fired or something. But anyways, now let's go look at the coins that we are trading in this my millionaire journey. First, starting with King KASPA, KAS. We look at KASPA for the past 1 hour. KASPA is up 1.2%, 1.4% up on the day, 25.8% up on the week, 8.7% up on the month, and 4.8% up on the year. We are sitting at the market cap of $3.56, and the 24 hours volume traded at is at 174 point, almost $0.5 million. Now we're looking at Quant. Like I said, that's a coin a lot of people love to hate. So QNT, look here, Quant is up 0.06% on the last hour, 8.3% up on the day, 7.7% up on the week, 0.05% down on the month, and 34.7% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of $962.4 million. And then a 24 hours volume traded at $45.2 million. As you guys remember, it's going up. It was stuck at 10 million traded for the longest, but anyways, it's starting to move. Now let's look at Jasmy, JAS, the Bitcoin of Japan, and we see here for the past hour, Jasmy is down 0.78%, 2.2% up on the day, 2.1% up on the week, 4.9% up on the month, and 315% up on the year, sitting at the market cap of $1.01 billion. Wow, that's pretty good. It went up. And at the 24 hours trading volume, sitting at $165.84 million. So here, if you want to look at those numbers, compare them, or like I usually say, if you plot them in a graph, you're about to see that, you will see that those numbers, they are moving, they're starting to move. Okay, we've gone from the downwards curve, and they're starting to go upwards. That is really, really good. Okay, that is really, really good for these coins. But anyways, now let's go look at the prices in more details. Okay, let's see what the charts are saying. We're just going to do this right quick, and let's go. Gonna move this quickly. Trading view. We're gonna start first with the King KASPA. Guys, again, like I told you guys, if you wanted to wait for the price confirmation, that's you. Me, I like to get into my trades way before the confirmation starts. Okay, so if you look at KASPA, we broke out. Right, let me see this right quick. Here, we broke out. This movement you are seeing right here is what should have happened here. Mexi manipulated. Okay, you go look at the order books. Those guys, they have like buy and sell order. Go look at the order books and you will understand what I'm talking about. But this thing is happening, that people are moving their coins out of Mexi. It's a kind of like controlling the situation. Okay, price action is not going to swing as it was swinging before. Plus, we have this cracking listing coming on. It's going to help a lot in regulating how the price is moving. And not only that, we have all this bullish news coming out of KASPA that I'm telling you guys, this thing is moving. And now we're looking at 22 cents, like I told you. But so far, looking at the charts right now, okay, now we're going to look at this. I usually tell you guys, I like to first see how the ribbon and the moving average are doing. I don't use rocket science when I'm trading. I use the MACD, RSI, moving ribbon, moving average, and the people's sentiments, what people think and how they react to stuff. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at. So anyways, now if you look at it here, I told you guys, those of you that like price confirmation, I told you there is in every trade, there is a before the trade, there is a during the trade, and there is after the trade. When we broke out yesterday, okay, what was it that we broke out? And I was giving people this signal right here. Okay, it broke out, came all the way back again to the same level, and again, look at this right now. KASPA is breaking out one more time. Look at the ribbon, it's already changing green, it's curving upwards. The good thing on this is that both the ribbon and the moving average are below the price. So yes, this is a very good breakout that we're looking at. So we're about to see price action start to go up to try to up to try to retest again the same. If you've been following my channel, you know that we've been having this line for a while. This is a very big resistance right here at 15.3, 15.4 cents on the dollar. So that is where we're about to see KASPA go try to retest. Okay, if you have enough momentum, we're probably going to break above this, turn it into support, and keep going upwards. So yeah, that resistance has been like giving headaches, guys. If you can see, look at how far it went. How really far. Every time we try to break above it, we got slapped right back out, right back down. We try to break above, got slapped right back down, and it's been there just giving us that headache. But anyways, hopefully this time is going to be the charm that we need to break above it. But anyways, now if you go on the 4-hourly, let's check on 4-hour chart right here. On the 4-hourly, you will see that KASPA in this chart is forming this triangle. We had two touches, okay, on which is as you can see, the first touch. Come on, I'm using my phone. Let me zoom all the way out so to see it better. Okay, see, we have one touch, two touches. Oh, come on, right there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on the bottom following this line. This line that has been acting as support since let's see, what's the date right here? Okay, November. Yeah, since November we've been having support there. November the 4th, it's been a support. It's been supporting KASPA, touching, going, KASPA, touching, going, and the top side, which being as a resistance, also, like I said, the 15.4 cents. So right now we're looking for the price to try to go and break it, which again, guys, hopefully this time is going to be strong enough and we're going to be able to break this big resistance. But anyways, now let's go right quick, look at quant QNT. Let's see what quant is saying. QNT on Binance. On quant, again, you guys remember yesterday the same thing. I told you guys, you have to be paying attention on all this stuff, because Quant was going to go again to try to retest that resistance at $64, $65. And as we speak right now, that's exactly what is happening. This is on the 4-hour chart. And if you look at the arrow right quick. See? It's breaking above the ribbon. Ribbon is already green. We are breaking above the moving average. So we got to wait, see how this candle is going to close. Okay. Preferably, I would love this candle to close above the $65. If it crosses above it, that means the next one probably will come down, retest it, and go. But as you see right now, we are like fighting this thing as a major resistance. If you go to the 1 hour, let's see, 1 hourly time frame right there. 1 hour, beautiful. 1 hour is even showing it even better. See, moving average turn is below the price, and the moving ribbon is turning green, facing upward. So yeah, this is a very good sign. But again, the fact that they are way below here is the only thing I don't like, because that means price can still come back down to try to ride the ribbon upward. So let's see. It's an impulsive move right now. Let's wait and a couple more hours to see what happens. If the ribbon moves all the way up there, that is a very good sign. So we're trying to, this thing will probably, if it comes down, use that as support and go up from there. But again, guys, I always say this is just noise, because if we look on the weekly, see on the week right there, this is what you got to pay attention to. This first week is now green. Okay. Look at the ribbon. It's beginning to spray it even more, which means this thing is about ready to start curving. And once you start to curve, that's it. We're gone. The support, I mean, like the price target is way up here. This is 125, I think. 125 or 100 on the first ribbon. Let me zoom out. Sorry. Let me zoom out right quick. Right there. Okay. If you zoom out, you'll see that when you did your fib retracement, your first line is right here, 125, 126. So whatever price action that is happening right here is just noise, or it's just letting you know that the thing has already started to move. So yeah, let's just wait and see in the upcoming weeks. You're about to see Quant take off like a mad dog. Now let's go look at Jasmine right quick. Okay, so Jasmine, I'm gonna try to drop this down first to the 1 hour. Jasmine is a coin, like I told you guys. For me, Jasmine, I'm bullish on it, but I want to see Jasmine go past the 2.3 cents, because that 2.3 cents, guys, is being a headache. The good thing about that is that Jasmine, let me open this up. We finally broke above that downtrend that we had. Okay, if you remember, since the 4.5 cents, Jasmine had this downtrend that we could not get away from, no matter what. Jasmine couldn't get away from it. Let me go on the daily. Daily, you should see it better. See, this downtrend, we couldn't get about. Let me bring my arrow back. And that was something like every time. See, this downtrend, we touch, got rejected, touch, got rejected, touch, got rejected. There was no way Jasmine could break above it, okay? But finally, okay, when you look at it here, we got above it. That is the very big news. Like that's a very good news. Like you can see, we got above it, got rejected at that 2.3 cents, but we came back. Like I always say, it has to come and retest the previous resistance. You have to turn it into support, and that's what Jasmine did. See that? Came back, he's retested it. Look at the moving ribbon, finally turning green, and finally we are about to be above the moving average. So yeah, what I'm expecting this to do right now is to try to go up again and break this 2.3 cents. Other than that, there's not much to be said on Jasmine, other than just sit tight, wait, watch the price action. If I wasn't in a trade already, I would have entered a trade right now, because this looks like a very good entry point for me. Not financial advice. You can do whatever you want to do, but I am already in a trade, so I'm not going to chase it. I'm gonna just wait and see what it does. Anyways, now let me go right here, put it on the 1 hour. 1 hour right quick. So yeah, see, On the 1 hour, you can already see we are trading above the ribbon, we are trading above the moving average, but we are having this zigzag indecision. It doesn't know what it wants to do yet. Just zigzag going around up and down. It doesn't know what it wants to do. See, zigzag above the ribbon, below the ribbon, above the ribbon. It doesn't know what it wants to do. That's why I said for me, I would have entered my trade here, because it looks like we are about to take off to the moon from here on. So yeah, let me go back here. So yeah, you can see that is the opportunity. Okay, you can decide to sit on the sidelines, or you can decide to take action right there, because those 3 coins, guys, they are showing signs of bullishness. For me, you guys already know me. I don't wait for price confirmation. I go in, and once I go in, it's time to make that money. You understand? But anyways, you guys already know I do not condone leverage trading. Okay, please don't leverage trade if you don't know what you're doing, because you are going to lose your money very, very fast. But if you do know what you're doing and you're confident enough, down below I do have Phemex, I do have Bydfi, and I also do have Margex. Those 3 are a very good start, but I would rather recommend people to start with Bydfi, because Bydfi yeah, as I was saying, yeah, it is very beginner friendly, in the sense of that when you are trading, you can always add more margin to your position. That way it drops your liquidation while maintaining the same leverage. Okay, the same thing happens on Phemex, but the difference is that on Bydfi you don't have to worry about exchange fees. They take the fees out of your positions, whereas on Phemex you have to have money. You have to have money on the side for the exchange fees. You understand? That's the difference between Phemex and Bydfi. But anyways, now let's go look at my positions right quick. Let's see what we're doing. Are we going up, down, left, right, or whatever that is happening? Anyways, now let's first start with my Bydfi. As you guys already know, yesterday we were hovering around that $9,200 or thereabout. Today, yes, you can see price is going up, so my profits are also moving. Today I am up 10,300. Okay, 10,300. And when you look at my contracts, wow, KASPA is moving. If you look at my contracts, okay, KASPA, I am still down 32%, which is 1,500. And Quant, I am also still down, wow, 2%. I'm almost break even, which is $193. Again, you see that a little movement moves my positions, because I'm a very aggressive trader. I trade at 50x, and I don't worry about price because my liquidation is very, very low. That's why I don't worry about it. But now we're waiting. We're about to see how this thing goes, because like I told you guys, Quant is making moves, and you have to look at Quant. Let's see. For me, I believe Quant, this run, we are easily going to be at $5,000 or even more. But before we get there, if this thing should ever get to 6,500, it will make me $1.4 million. But if you want to look at take profits areas, okay, me, this is a long-term trade. I'm not planning on taking profit anytime soon. But anyways, you have to look at first, like I said, look at $85. That will make me $3,000, almost $4,000. Then look at the $110. That will make me almost $10,000. And then you look at the 125. That will make me $127,000. You understand? So sorry, that will make me $12,700. And then you look at go look again. There is the next feed after 125. The next resistance we are going to have is probably going to be around $280. So if you look at $280, 280, that will make me $46,000. So yeah, those are the things that I'm looking at. Okay, so yeah, you better when you see the price moving like this, it's because, guys, money is about to be made. Now let's go look at Phemex right quick. My positions on Phemex right there. Let me sign in right there. Okay, if you guys remember yesterday, I am still up anyways. So I am still up 14,100. Okay, that's where I'm still up right now. And when you look at my positions, okay, look at the positions right quick, my contracts, you will see that my adjustment, I am still down 16%, which is 1,800, better than it was a couple days ago or a week. And then on KASPA, my KASPA trade, I'm still down 28%, which is 1,500. Again, please do not trade like me, because I'm very aggressive trader. I trade at 50x. See that? That's where I trade at. Why? Because my liquidation is very low. I scaled up so much that it dropped my liquidations very, very low. Now let's go look at the newest, the ones I opened on you guys already know. 2 trades I added to my Margex because the opportunity presented itself, and you guys already know me. I don't waste time on that. I don't waste time. I'm trying to make as much money as possible. As you can see, the first position is up 98%, which is $981. Okay, still moving right now. So we multiply that by 2, because for some reason I like to open them 2. So and now you see also I also have a SUI trade, which is up $136, which is $1,300. My third KASPA position is up $364, which is $3,640. The same goes to my fifth. My fifth KASPA position is up 116%, which is $2,300. Now we talk about my fifth position, which is up 137%, which is $5,800. And last but not the least is also up 137%, which is the same thing, $5,800. Now a lot of people will be asking me like, hey, you already have positions open, why did you open this one? Guys, I'm trying to, like I said, this is wealth transfer. I'm trying to make as much as I can on this cryptocurrency market versus whatever that anything that is around out there. Okay, I'm trying to accumulate. This is I use these positions right here. I took 100,000 KASPA from my KASPA spot account, and I'm trying to multiply it. That means I'm trying to use what I already have to make more KASPA. And if you look at it, let me just use one. Okay, look at this position. Okay, if KASPA goes back up to if KASPA goes back up to the all-time high, okay, let's just say the price target, not even all-time high, price target 2 cents, okay, this position will make me $6,000. Now we already know cracking listing and everything that's coming is going to drive KASPA up. Even I think we're looking at the 40 cents KASPA. So if at 40 cents, this position will make me 20 grand. That's what I'm looking at, 20 grand. I multiply that by 2, not even talking about the rest of the position. Now let's say Coinbase, Binance, and the rest of them, the listing frenzy starts, which I can tell you is what is about to start happen. That means we are looking at KASPA to go minimum $2. Okay, at $2, okay, this position will make me $142,000. Multiply that by 2. Now you guys, that's what I'm saying. When I see opportunity, I jump in. I don't wait. Understand? So let's go back here. I don't wait. I just get in and try to make that money, because if you wait, you'll never know what you're going to miss out. Understand? Anyways, now thank you very much for watching my videos. Please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Okay, don't forget to comment. I would like to know what your opinion is. What's your take on this subject matter that we just spoke about? I would like to know what you think. Anyways, again, don't forget to share, turn on your notification, and like the content, because the more you like it, the more YouTube pushes out or push this out to millionaire minded people like you and me, and the family grows. And you never know, a comment might help you out. You know, somebody might have a good idea, and then they might put in the comment, and you read it, and there you go. Okay, that being said, guys, I still say it, KASPA is better than Bitcoin, hands down, any day, anytime. But anyways, guys, thank you again very much for watching my videos. Until I see you in my next one, please take good care of yourself. Okay, bye bye.